Yo, what's up? We're diving into the world of drones today. Specifically, drones that can elevate your fitness content to the next level. In the age of dynamic content creation, drones have revolutionized how we document our fitness journeys. Whether you're sprinting through a trail, practicing yoga in the park, or cycling along coastal roads, drones offer unique perspectives that handheld cameras can't match. Let's delve into the top 3 drones of 2025 that are perfect for capturing exercise moments and compare their features to help you choose the best fit for your needs. Alright, first up we've got the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and let me tell you, this thing is tiny but mighty. We're talking under 250 grams, which is insane because that means it's exempt from a lot of drone regulations, especially for casual users. But don't let the size fool you, this thing packs a punch. It's got a 48 megapixel sensor, which is wild for something this small, and you can shoot 4K video, so your footage is going to be crisp, clear, and super high quality. Safety is key, especially when you're focused on your workout, and the Mini 4 Pro has got you covered with omnidirectional obstacle sensing. That means it sees obstacles from every direction, keeping your drone safe and your mind at ease. And for all you social media gurus out there, the vertical shooting mode is a game changer. Get those perfect shots for Instagram and TikTok without breaking a sweat. And speaking of not breaking a sweat, you can fly this thing for up to 34 minutes, which is more than enough time to capture your entire workout. So you're ready to step up your game, huh? The DJI Air 3S is the drone for you. This one's all about that balance, advanced features without being overly complicated, and the star of the show here is the dual camera system. You've got a wide-angle lens to capture those epic landscapes, and a 3x telephoto lens to get up close and personal with the action. Obstacle avoidance is crucial, especially when you're navigating tricky terrain, and the Air 3S steps it up with LiDAR technology. This gives you super precise navigation and obstacle avoidance, so you can focus on your workout, not on crashing your drone. Now, let's talk about flight time. With the Air 3S, you're looking at up to 45 minutes, which is insane. You can push your limits without worrying about constantly swapping out batteries. And for those long-distance shots, the OcuSync 4.0 transmission is a lifesaver. You get a super stable, long-range video feed even when you're tracking fast-paced activities like cycling or running. Alright, we've arrived at the big leagues. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This is for the professionals, the serious content creators, the fitness influencers who demand the absolute best. And when I say the best, I mean it. This thing has not 1, not 2, but 3 cameras. We're talking a 20 megapixel Hasselblad main camera, a 3x telephoto, and a 7x telephoto. The versatility is insane. You can shoot anything from wide cinematic shots to close-ups with incredible detail. And the video quality? Don't even get me started. We're talking 5.1K video recording, which is basically overkill. But hey, I'm not complaining. Your footage is going to look like it was shot on a Hollywood set. Of course, with great power comes great battery life, right? The Mavic 3 Pro delivers with up to 43 minutes of flight time. You can shoot all day long and still have juice to spare. And safety? This drone takes it to the next level. You've got omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0, which is DJI's most advanced autopilot system yet. This thing will literally fly itself, avoiding obstacles like a pro. So, there you have it, the top 3 drones of 2025 for capturing epic fitness shots. Look, at the end of the day, the best drone for you depends on your needs and your budget. The Mini 4 Pro is perfect for beginners and casual users who want something portable and easy to use. The Air 3S strikes a great balance between advanced features and user-friendliness, making it ideal for intermediate users who want more creative control. And for the pros, the Mavic 3 Pro is the undisputed king, offering unparalleled quality and versatility. No matter which drone you choose, investing in one can seriously elevate your fitness content. You'll capture unique perspectives, get that cinematic quality, and keep your audience engaged and inspired. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.